video na to guys, we are back dito po sa Midori. We are invited to let you know na meron po silang bagong festival. So this is their Northeast Asia Festival. Still unlimited lobster po dito, but the rest of the dishes you're gonna enjoy yung mga dishes from Northeast Asia like Japan or Korea. Guys, if you wanna know more about kung ano po yung kinain namin dito, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Lobster natin. This is actually one of the highlights ng unlimited buffet ng Midori. 3 for now, later on order pa tayo. Let's go to our table. This is our table. So since this is unlimited, yun nga, so you can go back as many as you want. For now, gusto ko medyo marami yung first seating natin. So what do we have? So meron tayong peging chicken at saka smoked pork dito coming from the grill kung sa labas. So meron din tayong mix of vegetables and meats. Dim sum, syempre, hindi mawawala yan. We also have some from the Japanese section. A shabu-shabu soup from the noodle section naman. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung ating unlimited lobster. Actually, meron akong konting dito, lapo-lapo. Napakalaki ng lapo-lapo. So, ayan, so we're gonna start. And guys, if you visit yung backside ng Toscana, which is the alfresco area, so we have dim sum, meron tayong grilling, we also have seafood that are cooked here. I saw some pizza. If you're gonna go here, try nyo rin lumabas dito. You're gonna enjoy kung ano yung mga sineserve nila dito as well as kung ano yung nasa loob.